Okay, so this is palm. So first of all, line of incision. Two line of incision is given. First along the two styloid process of the radius and the ulna. First horizontal incision. Second horizontal incision is given along the base of finger. Third incision is given vertical incision from the tip of middle finger up to the midpoint of proximal incision. And the fourth incision is given from the first web up to the midpoint of proximal incision. Now skin flap is raised. The skin flap is raised. So here palmar aponeurosis was present, which I have removed, and this is the position of flexor retinaculum. So what we could see is the thenar eminence, hypothenar eminence, and the long tendons. So this is thenar eminence. So these are the muscles. This is flexor pollicis brevis. This one is flexor pollicis brevis, abductor pollicis brevis, and in between these two is the opponens pollicis brevis. Likewise, in hypothenar eminence, there is abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi, and in between these two will be the opponens digiti minimi. Now what you get else is the long tendons. So this is the superficial one, is the flexor digitorum superficialis tendon, which is 4 in number, 1, 2, 3, 4. So see, this is the flexor digitorum superficialis tendon, which splits into two. See, the tendon is splitting into two, and below the flexor digitorum superficialis tendon you will find the flexor digitorum profundus tendon, this one, which pass in between the two split end of flexor digitorum superficialis. So this is the splitted part is the flexor digitorum superficialis, which get inserted at the side of the middle phalanx, and this is the flexor digitorum profundus tendon, which get inserted at the base of distal phalanx. So these are 4 flexor digitorum superficialis tendon, and beneath that is the 4 flexor digitorum profundus tendon. Now from the profundus tendon, lumbrical muscle arises. You could see here, which is the thin worm like muscle. These are the lumbrical muscles. Here also present, this one is the lumbrical muscle. Okay, so 4 lumbrical muscle is present. First 2 is the unipinnate, and the third and fourth is bipinnate. What else you will get? You will get the flexor pollicis longus tendon. This one is the flexor pollicis longus tendon. This one. This is flexor pollicis longus tendon. Okay. Just retract. Here you could see in between the hypothenar eminence and this long tendon, this is the transverse head of adductor pollicis. This one. This is the transverse head of adductor pollicis. Now see the arterial arcade. This is superficial palmar arch. This is the ulnar artery, and medial to this is the ulnar nerve. This one is ulnar nerve. This is ulnar nerve. This is ulnar artery. Artery, superficial branch of ulnar artery, forms the superficial palmar arch, which on lateral side is completed by the superficial palmar branch of radial artery, or arteria principalis, or arteria radialis indicis, or arteria nervi mediana. So these are the branches arising from the arterial arcade, which supplies the medial 3.5 finger. Lateral side is supplied by both side of thumb is supplied by arteria principalis, and this radial side of index finger is supplied by arteria radialis indicis. So this is artery. Now see the nerves. This is nerve. This is ulnar nerve. Ulnar nerve supplies the medial 1.5 of the finger, and the hypothenar eminence, and the palmar and dorsal interosseae, and third and fourth lumbricals. So these are the nerves. You could see this is the nerve. This is nerve which is arising from the this one. See this one. This one is the nerve which is arising from the ulnar nerve. The lateral 3.5 finger is supplied by median nerve. You could see here, this is the cut end of median nerve. This one. This is median nerve which passes beneath the flexor retinaculum, and then it divides into lateral and the medial branch. Lateral branch gives 3 proper branches which supply the adjacent side of the thumb and the radial side of index finger. You could see here, these are the branches from the median nerve. The medial branch from the median nerve divide into 2 common branch which supplied the adjacent side of middle and index finger and middle and ring finger. See, these are the branches from the median nerve.